Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So again, this video is not saga, it's not an attack on anybody, but I just want to put my mind. All right. So I noticed that what I asked or what I suggested that our reference sister should do. That many of you have watched the video, and I don't know her mindset or that, but I checked somehow and I noticed that she was busy sharing videos of people from one guy from Ogenkere, the guy in Cambodia. If I show you the face, you will know him, who used to attack me and many people for standing with the USB government. She's sharing the video, and of course, videos of other people who decided to go away from USB government, and some other videos like that. Everybody have right to share whatever they want to share. I'm just saying, but from calling for peace to becoming friends or people who have questionable character is okay. That's simply means to me. I see that my advice is not taken. That's it. That's by the way. I'm not supposed to talk about her because of this, but Sona Akparawa said something about her video. The same space that she hosted where she said what she said. Of course, I've reacted on that. Sona Akparawa, get hold of that video, and he was actually, using that to attack PM. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Speaking of attacking PM, let us go straight based on what the topic says. Sona Akparawa in tears as he advanced his lies on PM Simon Ekpa. So, like I said, like the video and let us know what you think about it. It's not going to take you anything. So just bear with us. Let's do justice to this video because a lot is going on. So Akparawa, many of you know him. He's one of those who believe that Ogenkere is getting it right. So let's start with this, okay? Because we have some couple of posts to go through in the course of this video. It may be long, it may not be long, so just bear with us, like I said, and watch it with an open mind. He said, "Oh, Briggy is looking for recognition from America government, but now you are suing the citizens of America for taking Biafra to America Congress for recognitions. Just look at your Ngozi. Just look at your Ngozi post there. Just look at your Ngozi post there, telling her gullible followers that they don't need recognition from America. Okay, hold on. Then this one is he quote this under a video he posted as far back as April 2025. What more evidences do you need to help the zombie followers of Olabo Fulani telling her goats that they don't need recognition from America, yet you register your USB Nigeria group in the same America? I think the problem of this guy maybe emanate from Kevadi. Something is wrong with Sana Akparawa, or maybe this is who he is, maybe the level of his madness. Now, when you come down here, this is a post that he said that DPM posted and all that. And that post DPM said here, as I can read from here, he says, the United States of Biafra does not need recognition by other states to function as a sovereign nation. He did not mention in America. The United States of Biafra does not need recognition by other states to function as a sovereign nation. Now, this is where this guy felt that this is a controversial statement. When she made this post was when all of them said that you are not a sovereign nation. Oh, you are not a sovereign nation. You are actually sovereign, but not totally sovereign, like you are not in your land. Barristers explained this in our last one. I think our last two meeting. He explained this very, very well. That you can. That's the way he put it. Just like you are a sovereign, not by recognition, because you have to do one or two things for yourself before people can now recognize you. But Akparawa twisted this post to become that you don't need recognition from America, which is not true. I just want to share it with you because this is one of the lies. Then again, this one said, we shall dissolve the government as soon as the recognition starts coming. Okay. From the United States of America, every other things follows. Here on the quote is this one, that we shall dissolve the government as soon as the recognition starts coming from United States of America, and every other things follows. That is the lies they are telling their followers. Now, you declared your nation. That thing you declared, you now say that USB Nigeria. Look at it here. This is what he put here. You can see it. USB Nigeria, he called it group. It's never a group. When you go back to self-referendum, what you have there is United States of Biafra. United States of Biafra. Do you understand? United States of Biafra. Bringing government in exile was meant for you to declare yourself and start getting recognition. The template, the ideology, and everything comes from PM. This guy are not acting as if they know better than PM. That's the mad part of it. But like I said, I'm happy that PM is a very stubborn guy. Okay, very, very stubborn and very, very hardworking. So let's just wait and see how the voting will play once it's out. But Akparawa, his determination in sabotaging PM did not start today. Remember when he asked PM, okay, are you saying that if you are not around, Ngozi will be the one in control of everything? And that's the way he put that question. That question made some Biafran begin to think. Does it mean that they can already know that PM will not be here? You know what I mean? But we actually calmed it down because we don't want to, put things out there that people will start looking at if you are drawing propaganda and attack on somebody. Then again, some people will say, oh, because he's not an Igbo man, you guys are attacking him. But his comment, his action is not in line with what people actually know or expect. Anyway, let us watch this video, please.
It's going to be, this government will be dissolved. Immediately we start getting recognition from the international community. And then we start the preparation for the transitional government. That is the reason we have the de facto government functional. The structure is already in place. So as soon as the recognition starts coming from the United States, every other person follows. United Nations follows. And that will start the preparation for the transitional government. So those people that are putting their coat in a very high place, like Okoze Okonjo and all of them, they will also be running, and that's when they will know that they are there for it. But of course, everybody will put their hands on the deck for us to have the desired nation that we have. It's going to be, this government will be dissolved. Immediately we start getting recognition from the international community. And then we start the preparation for the transitional government.
Okay. This government will be dissolved immediately we start getting recognition from international community, not from American community. You get it? Because now I know why he put this right up here, because that's what PM said. But they always misinterpret something to suit their own narrative. What PM is saying, what PM was saying there is that we will dissolve the government when international committee, when we started getting international, when we started getting recognition from international community. Now, that does not mean America. But come to think of it, based on the circumstances that followed, the day of redeclaration, which is 29th of November, I have appealed to you, the Garagarovo on how to become the leader and all that. For you to function, or even declare, or even work as a government, you must deal with this indoor fight. And don't get determined to do whatever it takes with those men, those cabals that are now fighting each other after supporting, Edin and Abeti Logenkere to continue to carry out that criminality. They are now fighting him tooth and nail. But the question is, if you are in position of DPM, what would you have done? It's not even to dissolve that cabinet, because that is what embodied them to do what they're doing. Imagine the fake, memo and selection that Imam Madabo pretend to be the government to elect anybody. with their group and elected as APM. Look at what Ogekere is doing today. If I play some of his clips for you now, you will be marveled. I mean, the recent comment from Ogekere. You can see the audacity, like you can see the arrogancy in this guy. What comes out from his mouth? He don't care about Biafrans, he don't care about PM. They're twisting things like people are fools. Let's move to other things. I don't want to waste more time because this video, man, I don't want it to be too long. You know what I mean? I don't want it to be too long. I will just go back, and see, because here, this is the first one. Then here is another video. He says, so that said here, this one say we keep throwback, we keep the records. Okay. He said, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa sent message through his attorney, which Ngozi acknowledges taking messages from same woman. Prime Minister condemned Ngozi new madness, USB government, and calls on all their friends to fall back to Brugi. Do you understand? Now the question is, when PM may send the message, I'm not here to tell you that PM did not send, I don't know. But whether PM said he should fall back or not, it depends on what Imam Madhabu fed PM. Like, you are in prison, you don't know what is happening out there. It requires credible information from the two parties for you to make a credible decision. You don't make a decision because Imam Madhabu come to you and inform you something. Now, after all Imam Madhabu did there, what is stand up PM today? That will tell you all you need to know. I don't have to play this video because many of you already know this video. I'm gonna play for you for that Thomas. But I'm not playing to the end.
Simon wants to thank you, Madam Ngozi for her fine work till now. But now situation is very much different than Simon suspected it would be a couple of months back when.
Okay, so you remember the message, right? This is Imam Madhabu here. Imam Madhabu was the one dragging this woman and rubbish this woman before everybody. Today, as you speak, this woman now has no say to meet, if you want to meet PM or not. Why? Because PM have realized that Imam Madhabu used this woman for this nonsense that he did. The setup of this madness of Ogekere emanates from Imam Madhabu. He is the originator. He is the founder of who Ogekere is today. And to Ogekere, Imam Madhabu is just a moron. You don't regard him anymore. You don't regard him as anymore, which is, of course, because they say the evil that men do lives with them. Why? The reason best known to them, So all this madness, the lies of Akparawa is shocking. Now, I'm going to play you a video of Akparawa here, reacting on Olewunle's video. Okay? So pay attention. Let's go there.
Here is Okechukwu working for the freedom and the release of all Biafrans in Washington, D.C.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
While the Nigerian government is, on the other hand, looking for the same Okechukwu to kill.
You see praises.
Okechukwu has come to stay, and he goes nowhere.
Okay.
Okechukwu has come to stay.
Just listen.
Nowhere. The RGI has come to stay and goes nowhere. So the earlier you like it like that, the better for you.
Let's just pay attention. Let's see what you want to say here. The madness is out of this world.
How many of you know the face of this lady here?
Why is the volume down? Why?
Let me see.
Okay. Just pay attention.
How many of you knows the face of this lady here.
That's a little only watch. I hear what this guy said here.
That is the lady that said she went to see Mazi Simon Ekpa in prison. She said she went to see Mazi Simon Ekpa in prison. And then she asked Mazi Simon Ekpa, did you say they should take BRJ to court? This video is on the social media. Please don't make me make the video. It's just that we need to laugh. Yes. The person that is working for your release in Washington, D.C. Here is Okechukwu working for the freedom and the release of all Biafrans in Washington, D.C. While the Nigerian government is, on the other hand, looking for the same Okechukwu to kill.
Fake news.
Then the same Okechukwu
we have done video on this. Fake news.
Is working to see that Mazi Simon Ekpa is released, that Mazi Namikano is released, that all Biafrans are released.
Now, one thing some people don't know is that we know all these tricks. Using Nigerian Daily Post, Vanguard. You know, the immediate, let me remind you something. Immediately PM Mazi Namikano dissolved the US. It takes few news outlets, like few news, mainstream media and newspapers of Nigeria to carry out that news. Our rights don't have it. You get the point? Only few platforms. DOS wanted to announce their own. They paid every news, local and international. There's a news called the CWC, something like that, African news that based in UK. What is it called? Something like that. I forgot the name. These platforms said one stupid stuff against PM Simon Ekpa some time ago, and they received a very huge attack. That platform carried the news of DOS that they sacked Mazi Namikano. Daily Post, all the news. Why? If you can pay them, they will carry out your news. It's a bad payment. Remember when Ogenkere said that he sued DPM and USB government? So now I wake up in the morning and begin to celebrate. Thank God, though, because People's Gazette carried it. They reported it before even Ogenkere, Minister of Information. Ogenkere, Minister of Information, was able to, receive the news from People's Gazette. Some that his boss did in US. So you see, all this headline of daily this now, it is when you pay, they will report you. That's one thing people need to know. Especially when you are an instrument of the government. I don't want to go there now. I don't want to be told, this is not a live broadcast. That's why I'm cutting some of those things, because I want you to all remember, because I believe that you are aware of what I'm talking about. You know. But Akparawa always fronting Daily Post as if it's a validation of you said that you are looking for freedom, but your source of you are based your trust on what the media, Nigerian newspaper says. Who does that? Go and watch videos of Akparawa. In fact, I will bring it often if time permits us. So that, but always observe something. He don't joke with headline news of Nigerian newspaper. They don't joke with it. Okay, pay attention to this one. Listen. Daily Post, right?
Okay.
To prove to you that Ogenkere is working. In case if you don't know what this post means.
Photo before.
Oh, there you go.
She said she went to see Mazi Simon Ekpa in prison and asked, did you say they should take BRJ to court because of working for your freedom?
That is not what Olewune said. Did you say you take BRJ to court because they are working for your freedom? And he's laughing over that. So Akparawa, show us how you are working for freedom of PM Simon Ekpa. I'm not, you see, these people, they're insulting your intelligence and you are sitting down there talking briggy, okay, my PM. Is that not madness? This man, okay, can have never for once visited PM in prison, which is not also a validation of who is doing something or not. But why I said that is because you cannot be working in Washington, D.C. We did not hear anything. America have not sent any letter to Finland. Nothing. That you are discussing any issue with congressmen does not mean that discussion have an effect in real times. That does not want to. That doesn't mean that you are sure. Remo that traveled to Nigeria. What is the outcome today? Are they still not politicizing everything about Christian genocide? Of course, which you claim that you guys are the one made it possible. You are looking for freedom, different freedom, but you presented other things. But all those other things that you presented that are not different freedom is yielding fruit instead of that your main objective. That means you're a liar. You are not the one. You are just perching on people's effort. And I told us a few days ago that these guys are now using the Federal Republic government. How many of you remember that my video? Please put it on comment. Do you remember? Did you watch one of my video? I think live broadcast where I said that they are now using Republic of Biafra instead of United States of Biafra. Remember they are looking for recognition, but they are breaking, hoping to recognize Republic of Biafra, which they did not declare. Now, these people later on, maybe later today, I don't know, but I hope today we're gonna react on the other videos about these people. You will hear them talking about their efforts. They are doing something from Israel. They are not trying to connect to what effort of Richard was. God asked US tried and the woman kicked them out. But they don't joke with the effort of other people. If people from Oyo State now maybe started getting maybe welfare or any sympathy from the international community, these people will join and tell you that it will be effect of Ogenkere to Christians in Nigeria. That's how they roll. And they will turn out and begin to talk about independent media. Anyway, later we are going to discuss all this. Yeah.
He said yes. I sent them to court so that they should be sent to prison. Why?
That is Ologuna did not say that. I did not hear that part. That's a lie.
In my absence.
That why are they going to Washington DC in my absence? Or what I can actually get New York. Ganil. What I can now you can New York. You believe?
The video I didn't come do the program. The program did it. Go and watch it, you'll see. And let me see whether the sound will come out from here, make you hear the voice. It's becoming too much. I always see everything. Let's break it now. Okay, really high back. Okay, I was here with breathe. Think of what I said to breathe. So it is not that I'm not because they put it breathe, because the other said I was here with breathe. So we have supported that this breathing, supported this action and now. Every guy supported here. Because PM is still active. No matter how long I'm prison, even Finland not like prison. I think that is still fighting for Biafra. Even there, they are assisting for those certain things. So many, they are assisting for those so many there with the lawyers. It's still
Okay, I'm not doing this to defend Olewune. It's because of PM names that I made that this guy is dragging. You know, the truth of the matter, whether like if PM supported them to sue Ogenkere, I am okay. I'm a supporter of that, and I pray they will win Ogenkere. You understand? But if PM did not support them, it is entirely their business. Then PM will have to do something about it, right? Now, whether he supported it or not is not my problem. Anybody making sure that the challenge Ogenkere is well deserved. But what Ogenkere did or what he's doing is like, I mean, it's not good for humanity. You cannot bring, justice from criminality. You cannot be chasing for justice while you are committing crime. It doesn't work that way. So Olewunle knows what she's doing. Now, one thing I noticed about these people is that just like the people in this SGS, some of their media warriors are confused. They don't even know what they're doing. And Akparawa is bashing and degrading PM and mocking PM and doing this and doing because the mockery is too much. If I played everything here, in fact, let's see if you want us to run a live broadcast about it. It is too much, especially from Akparawa. One of his their media team, one guy that resides in Cambodia, I think in Cambodia, I don't know, I'm sure that it should be in Cambodia, that he says he was attacking me some time ago. Olewunle was busy sharing his video. I'm surprised. In fact, let me see if I did not plan to share it for you now, but because of this video, because of what what Akparawa is saying and what Olewunle said, let me see if I can bring it up. There's let's go to Olewunle's platform. Okay, let's go to Olewunle platform. I may not play it, but I just wanted to see one. I'm not gonna let me just focus on that one. Okay, let's just focus on that one. He shared something. Olewunle shared something. He said not this one. Let me just make sure that I pin that I get it right. Okay, very, very important that let me be careful. All right, so this is the account of Olewunle, sorry. And the video you are seeing here now is the one that she shared. Okay, this video is from Ogenkere, media warrior. This guy used to attack his father before. And I responded to him once and he stopped. Look at him here. When you click on the link here, when you click on this link, it will take you to this channel. Okay, this is the guy. This very guy. And I want you to focus on the title of the video. Okay, focus on the title of the video because Olewunle says something about it. And look at the title here. Let me click on this. Let's so you understand what the video is all about. Now, you see, he said Simon Ekpa has been vindicated on the things he said about Kuje, former DOS led by Chicken Edoziem. Remember, he is Ogenkere Akparawa's people. If you go to his channel, you understand why I said so. Now, unless he has changed, which I doubt. Now, meaning that he's in line with PM, he's in love with PM, right? Okay. But his boss, Akparawa and Ogenkere, are attacking PM. You see the confusion? Just like with the other guy the guy in Dubai on Facebook, always attacking USB Simon Ekpa, insulting them, but he's in love with US. At the same time, he's criticizing Ike Guruago and the Keshoso and them. You forgot that you're both people, the SDOs that you are supporting are in the same team with these people that you are tackling. That is confusion. And that's what you get when you don't know anything and you just jump to react on what you don't know. You don't even understand the person you're supporting, who the person actually who they are loyal to. You know what I mean? Please let me know what you think about the video. Is getting getting too long. It's getting very, very long. I'm just gonna end it here. Let me know what you think. I'm not defending Olewole, please. What I did is just to let you know what is playing out. Olewole is not. She has made her choice and she's still making her choice. I just wish she can lead by example by showing us how to make peace with your quote unquote your haters or your enemies. Let's see. But she ignored everything and keep on doing other things. Anyway, please let me know what you think about it. So now, continue with your cry and sabotage. Your insult of PM is cannot be just forgotten. All right. And the thing is that they have challenged PM to the extent that they actually deserve to be sued. To be honest with you, if left for me, not only those that sued him, I wish that USB government will also go and sue them, because it's an insult to Biafrans at large. Unless if it's going to jeopardize PM freedom, then I'm not going to support it, because anything that will hinder PM from coming out, personally, I will not support it. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye bye for now. Good morning.